Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today here I am going to teach you maths and topic is multiplication and division of fraction. Multiplication and division of fractions. Okay. So multiplication of a fraction by another fraction, when we have to multiply a fraction by another fraction, then how can we solve it? Okay. So here working rule is, when a fraction is multiplied by another fraction, the product of the numerator is divided by the product of the denominators. Fraction is multiplied by another fraction, the product of the numerator, numerators is divided by the product of the denominators. Okay. For example, here find the product of 15 by 32 and 12 by 25. So we use first method. First we multiply and then simplify. First we multiply them and then simplify. 15 by 32 multiply 12 by 25. 15 by 32 multiplied by 12 by 25. Okay. So 15 multiplied by 12, 15 multiplied by 12 by 32 multiplied by 25. So 15 into 12 we get 180, and 32 multiply 25 we get 800. Here 0 0 is cancelled, and 18 by 80. Now this will be also cancelled by 2 9 ja 18 and 2 40 ja 80. So answer will be 9 by 40. First we multiply them and then simplify. Simplify means cancellation. Okay, that means the numerator is divided by denominator. Clear? And second, we can use another method. First we simplify and then multiply. In first method, first we multiply and then simplify, but here when we use second method, then firstly we simplify then multiply. Here 15 by 32 multiply 12 is to 25. That means here numerators are 15 and 12 and denominators are 32 and 25. Clear? So first we simplify 12 and 32 by 4. 4 3 ja 12 and 4 8 ja 32. Cancel out. And second 15 and 25 is cancelled by 5. 5 3 ja 15 and 5 5 ja 25. Clear? Now multiply 3 and 3. Multiple of 3 and 3 is we get 9, and 8 5 ja 40. So answer will be 9 by 40. Clear? Now division of a fraction by another fraction. Division of a fraction by another fraction. So working rule for this: to divide the first fraction by the second fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal. of the second fraction. In multiplication of fraction by another fraction, we divide numerators by denominators. But here, to divide the first fraction by the second fraction, we have to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal means when a fraction is given in the form of a by b, then reciprocal of a by b is equal to b by a. Just it will change. A by b means b by a. So reciprocal of a by b is b by a. Clear? For example, 3 by 8 here, 3 by 8 divided by 15 by 35. Okay, so 3 by 8. Now we change the division sign into multiplication. Then we have to also change, that means reciprocal of 15 by 35, we get 35 by 15. Clear? 3 by 8 multiply by reciprocal of 15 by 35 means, what is the reciprocal of 15 by 35? The reciprocal of 15 by 35 is 35 by 15. Okay. Now we cancel by 5. 5 7 is 35 and 5 3 is 15. So we get 7 by 8. Clear? 7 by 8. Second example, second, divide 5 by 4 by 3. Divide 5 by 4 by 3. 5 by 4 divide 3, we get 5 by 4 divide 3 by 1. Here 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Now 5 by 4 multiply 1 by 3. Why? Because the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Clear? So here 5 1 is 5 and 4 3 is 12. Now we go to exercise 7.7. The product of 4 whole 2 by 3 and 3 by 7 is what? You can see the question of exercise 7.7 in your maths book. Here question is, find the product of 4 whole 2 by 3 and 3 by 7. So we can write 4 whole 2 by 3 multiply 3 is to 7. Clear? Now first we change into improper fraction. That means 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 by 3, 14 by 3 multiply 3 by 7. Now we cancel 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 and 3 1 is 3. Clear? 3 1 is 3. So we get 2 by 1, 2 by 1 we get 2. So correct option is A. Your option is A. Clear? Now second, question number 2 of 7.7, exercise 7.7. Question is, dividing 5 whole 1 by 3 by 4. We have to divide 5 whole 1 by 3 by 4. So we can write 5 whole 1 by 3 divide 4. When we change it into improper fraction, we get 16 by 3. How? 5 3 is 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 divide 4 by 1. Here it can be written as 4 can be written as 4 by 1. So 16 by 3 multiply 16 by 3 multiply reciprocal of 4 means 1 by 4. Reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Clear? Now we cancellation. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. You remember that we cancel out, that means we divide numerator by denominators. Okay, we always divide numerator by denominator. Clear? So we get 4 by 3. 4 by 3 can be written as 1 whole 1 by 3. So guys, here 4 by 3 will be also the correct answer, and you can say 1 whole 1 by 3. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. Similarly, we can do next question. Question number 2. Here 9 by 16 multiply 4. 9 by 16 multiply 4 by 1. Why? Because 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now we divide numerator and denominator by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. So we get 9 by 4. 9 by 4 means 2 whole 1 by 4 in mixed fraction. So 9 by 4 is also a correct answer, and you can say 2 whole 1 by 4 is okay. Question number 7. 3 whole 4 by 5 multiply 6 whole 3 by 7. So 3 whole 4 by 5 can be written as 19 by 5. How? 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 4 19. 19 by 5. Clear? Multiply 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 45 by 7. 45 by 7. Now we cancel. 5 1 ja 5. 5 9 ja 45. Clear? Now multiply 19 and 9. 19 9 ja 171. 99 ja 171 is to 7. So this will be also your answer, and you can say 24 whole 3 by 7 also. This is the mixed fraction of 171 by 7. So you can write this or this. Now question number 3. Divide 5 by 4 by 10 by 8. 5 by 4 divide 10 by 8. That means 5 by 4 multiply 8 by 10. Why? Since reciprocal of 10 by 8, reciprocal of 10 by 8, we get 8 by 10. Reciprocal 10 by 8 means 8 by 10. Now cancel out. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. And 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. When we simplify it, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2, 2 1 ja 2. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. So answer is 1. Similarly, question number 3. 2 whole 5 by 7 by 1 whole 3 by 7. Here 2 7 ja 14, 14 plus 5. 19 by 7 divided 10 by 7. Why? 7 1 ja 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 7. So 19 by 7 multiplied by 7 by 10. Since the reciprocal of 10 by 7 is 7 by 10. 7 7 cancel. So 19 by 10. Okay. So guys, I hope you will do next question of 7.7 as you directed. Okay, please do your work on time and please send me your images as you possible. Okay, that's all. Thank you.